Well, I said I had something special, and I've looked at these for a few years, and I've always wanted one, and one come up for sale about 6 weeks ago, and it's just arrived. It's a beast. It's a beast. I mean, I've seen the videos. I've watched videos of these. There's a lad there, I think it's from America, does a really good video. He goes through everything. I'll do the same. He goes through everything, what everything does. You know, it's electrically powered. I've plugged it in for 5 minutes and it tripped the electric. So it didn't straight away, but after a little while, all the lights went off, all the sockets went off. So this got faulty electric. But yeah, I thought I'd do this video now so you can see it as I've got it, and I'll show you. I'm going to go through like a little stage by stage with this one, because it's all look at that. That's all scale. Want some descaler, wants a good clean. But the main thing is get the electric sorted and try and get it running. I've watched a video where guys converted it to gas. That's a good option, I think. I might do that. I'd like to keep it original. I would like to keep it original. This, look, that's not original. I think this is off Wilesco 24 or 28, and they've put it over the top of what this one actually looks not original, or someone's just sprayed it, because I've got one on top of the other there, and this is off of 28 or 24, and yeah, they've just screwed it over the top of. If this was original, they've just sprayed. Someone just sprayed it, and we've got rid of all the graphics. I spoke to someone who does laser cutting. We'll talk about making a complete new one. But yeah, it's it'll be alright. I mean, relax. It's not in bad news. It's not full of rust. I've seen some guys restoring those. Some of them are in bad condition, but this I don't think is too bad. It's got to be, it's got to be rusty, flaky paint. You know, I don't know how old it is. I know you're supposed to be able to take this cover off, and the date should be underneath when it was made. And I will do that, but I've got a feeling that someone might have made that plate up, and it might not be the original. So I might lift that, and there might be nothing underneath. I don't know if it's underneath the actual cover, or underneath and actually inside the box where these gauges are. So, but yeah, these are. I mean, I think these are the most comprehensive steam engine, model steam engine, with all the extras they've got. I know they do a special edition one that was been out recently. I think they're still available for sale at the moment. End of 25. I went on a website and it was put your order in, and it will take a month or so. But yeah, so you've got everything. It's got a clutch. It's got a clutch there, which I've tested it. It's not working, but if you push that, that's supposed to go left and right and up and down. Like all the others, I've seen them got a slot coming up further, and this one hasn't got it. So that's what makes me think this is not original. But I will try and look at a few more videos to see if some of the older ones did have just a left and right and not an up and down. But yeah, when I move it, it's supposed to move this, disengage. It's supposed to disengage the drive shaft, and I've seen them do it, so I know it works, but this one's not working. So that's one thing that needs to be in. That's what it's bringing out. But yeah, I'll investigate how it all works, and then just. But generally, good clean up. I don't think it's even going to need a bit of painting, apart from the cylinder covers. Yeah, I don't know. I'll check what original colours were. We'll check what it is. But the base is, the base looks original to me. I don't think anyone's painted the base. It's got a little bit of rust here and there. But I don't think anyone's painted the base. So I think probably just leave the base alone. Clean everything else up. This wants a good polish. Wants a good polish. Another one with lead missing. So I'll get a bit of lead, another lead piece for that. But God, when I unpacked it, what got me was the size of that boiler. It's huge. I mean, I've got some big ones here, like all the model ones, but nothing anywhere near as big as that. You can't really see it until it's right in front of you, because I've seen the videos and I didn't realise the size of it. But there was a guy, I think it was in Australia, I think it was Blue Healer. He said it would take up a bit of real estate, and he weren't wrong. The whole thing is quite a size. It would take up a bit of space on your workbench, or whatever you're putting it on. But yeah, there's a water pump. So the water pump can either direct the water directly into the boiler, or you can just you've got a tap there. You can just drain it out. I think you put the water in there. You can either recycle the water, or when you turn it to pump in, it will pump into the boiler. Yeah, this is a fake. This is fake, but it acts as a rev counter. So as that spins, they get thrown out. What's this? As they get thrown out, it acts as a rev counter. So the faster it's going, the higher your gauge goes. Not bad. I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased with it. Electrics need looking at. I think it's 1500 watts. It's quite some power. I'm guessing it's a UK one. Not 100% sure, because it didn't come with a plug. The plug was cut off the end. I had to put a plug on myself. Yeah, just wanted electrics looking at. I'm expecting problems, to be honest, because I've seen some guys that do a lot of work to these, and there was one guy said it's the worst thing he's ever worked on. Oh dear, not looking forward to it. But there's a lot there. You know, I've got two of everything, and I think there's two elements in here underneath, because this is just a cover. The boiler is actually inside, and it's got two heating elements on it, 750 watts each. And yeah, something's not quite right there, but I'm hoping it's not too much, but I'm preparing myself. But yeah, they've actually got a door. They've got a door there. So I know the YouTube video said he converted it to gas, and I think that's quite a good idea. But I always like to keep things original. And if I convert it, I'm not sure that will devalue it, because with me, I feel like if it's not original, it's not as good value. If you're not selling it and you want to keep it yourself, I mean, I won't be selling this. I won't be selling this. I've wanted one for a while. I want this and the big twin cylinder Marklin, which I've got an engine over there, but I actually want the whole machine. But they don't come up very often, and when they do, they're a lot of money. Anyway, watch this space. I'm going to give this a proper tidy up, do a few videos, hopefully get it all running. And yeah, we'll leave it there for now. Cheers.